Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
We post easy peasy recipes on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and do not forget to hit the bell icon.
So we received a lot of suggestions from our beloved viewers to make a pudding recipe.
So today we'll be making pudding recipe in two ways. One with microwave and one without microwave.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
First, we'll be showing you the microwave version. Let's make the caramel. Take a mug or any microwavable mold of your choice and heat it in the microwave for a few seconds. Then take it out and add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Also add 1 teaspoon of water and mix lightly. Next, microwave it for 1.5 minutes. Keep checking after 1 minute so as to not burn the caramel. This is how it should look. Now add 1 teaspoon of water to the caramel. Be careful as it may splash a bit. Mix gently and keep aside. Your caramel is ready. Next, take a bowl and add 1 egg to it. Whisk gently. Then add 2 tablespoons sugar and mix until the sugar dissolves completely. Next, add 120 ml milk and again whisk gently. See to it that there are no bubbles forming. Add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. You can skip this step. We have also made the next pudding without vanilla essence. Mix for one last time. Now, take the mug in which we have made the caramel in. Take a strainer and add the egg mixture to the mug. Strain the mixture well. You can use a whisk just like we have. Now microwave this for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Pro tip here, you need to keep checking in intervals if your pudding is done. We've checked after 1 minute and this is how it looks. A few more seconds and it is done. This is how it should look. Now take an aluminium foil and wrap the mug entirely with it. The remaining heat will help the pudding to solidify a bit. Keep aside till it cools down. Now we'll be showing you the without microwave version. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon sugar and 2 teaspoons water. We'll be making the caramel first. Turn on the heat to medium flame and let this caramelize well. Once it's turned to a caramel-like color, add 1 teaspoon water. Be careful as the caramel can splash, so keep the pan away from you. Take a heat-resistant mold of your choice and add the caramel to it. Add a teaspoon of water again and mix lightly. In a bowl, add 1 egg and whisk it gently. In a saucepan, add 120 ml milk and 2 tablespoons sugar. Turn on the heat and mix this until the sugar has dissolved. Wait till the milk cools down a bit. Now add the milk to the whisked egg. Keep whisking gently. Now take the mold in which you have made the caramel and strain the mixture as shown. Wrap the mold entirely in an aluminium foil. In the meanwhile, take a deep-bottomed pan and add some water in it. Place a towel in the water. Turn the heat on medium and cover with a lid. There should be enough hot water to cover the bottom half of your mold. Before the water comes to a boil, place the pudding mold on top of the towel and cover with a lid. The towel will help maintain an ideal temperature for the pudding. Now steam for 18 to 20 minutes. To make the perfect pudding, do not let the water come to a boil. Our tip is to lower the heat as soon as the water starts bubbling and again turn the heat back to medium when it calms down. Turn off the heat and take out your mold. As it is really hot, put some kitchen gloves on or use a towel to take it out of the pan. This is how the texture looks. Keep aside to cool. So it's been an hour or so and both our molds have cooled down completely. Refrigerate them for about 8 hours. It's been 8 hours now. First, let's take a look at the microwave pudding. And here it is, Jiggly Wiggly pudding. Now it's the without microwave pudding's turn. You may need to scrape the sides with a knife to take it out smoothly. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to make that amazing Jiggly Wiggly pudding at home. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Minasan, ikaga datta desho ka?
We are open to suggestions, so please feel free to comment and let us know which recipe you want us to make next.
Also, you can follow us on Instagram and DM us your suggestions. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Bye bye.